Natural Splendor Care Strategies for Face and Glowing Skin. For face care tips, there is no need to make use of the costly cosmetics products available for sale yet to make use of the readily available homemade cleansing face maintenance systems to boost your beauty. Fairness beauty for face and skin is possible by using fresh vegetables and fruit that are undoubtedly accessible at your house and surroundings. Here, some face care tips with the natural foods using face mask, face lotions, cream, etc. These readily available fresh and proper diet are very advantageous at glowing face. Tomato for skin fairness. Your skincare problems could be minimized using the juice of tomato. Use the juice of red tomatoes evidently. It's possible to also slice a red tomato and rub exactly the same evidently. After it dries up, wash the face. The standard utilization of the same helps you to take away the wrinkles from the face and also the skin starts glowing. Lemon. How to use face beauty. After squeezing a lemon, make use of the rind to rub the darkish quantity of the elbows. It removes blackishness and you'll feel positive alterations in the face. Milk for skin beauty. Milk may be the lone food, which is recognized as an entire diet due to the existence of abundant nutrients. Milk can also be quite helpful for glowing face and sweetness. Rub cream or milk around the dark quantity of the face area, leave it for couple of minutes and wash exactly the same with fresh water. It will likely be useful in enhancing of the beauty. Cucumber for face, acne, and eyes. Cucumber is very helpful in removing of acne, pimples, wrinkles, and blemishes as well as advantageous for skin whitening. Use the juice of cucumber in your face and wash exactly the same after 20 minutes. It will help to enhance the skin, eyes, and removing of spots in your face.